Good afternoon, folks. Drew Rathgeber here with ProFuturesTrader.com with just a quick market update on the precious metal sector. I would say the big news this week is the 10-year Treasury went over just 5%. Haven't seen that in a very, very long time. I do expect to see that pull back. So you did see the bonds drop significantly during the last week or so, but probably see a bounce from that. But let's take a look at gold right now. We basically have had a few opportunities to get in here. We had one right here, you can see, and this is the 40-day moving average. And then right now, we've got another one that is taking place right now, showing pretty good support at that 44, let's say 36 area. So if you were looking, like I said, you had one spot here and one spot there. Let's see if this thing holds. I know we've been in this war on, war off scenario. You just saw crude oil come off significantly. I expect to see it probably bounce back up. But again, it's been war on, war off. So it's been very tricky for all of us to be trading during this period right here. A lot of chop, and particularly the retail traders have a tough time during that choppy period. Let's go and take a look at the silver market. All right, silver. And it's been trading basically 73. I think it went down to 73.35 yesterday, 73.30. Currently trading back up 76.32 area. But again, if you're looking, if you're looking to kind of get into this thing or being a little bit more on the conservative side, you'd be looking for that 68.50, 68.75 area, which is right here. But you might have to be extraordinarily patient. Now, another scenario being quite aggressive if you get that 72, 73 area as well. We did have that break above. So I've been watching this formation right here. So effectively, we've got this line right here where this is kind of the new support area, that 71, 72 area. But you can see right here the trend holding quite nicely. So again, don't be over leveraged. You can get in at the 74, 75, 76. Just don't be overly leveraged if you're looking for that. And that's your choice. Again, this isn't specific trade recommendations, but I'm just giving you an overview here. I would like to see it, like I said before, pop above. We have broken above that trend right there. So I'm hoping that we get, a bounce back up to that 90 area, then maybe back to that 100 area. But it's going to take a lot of work. We are going into the summer months, so just be on your toes because in those summer months, liquidity can kind of dry up sometimes and get some adverse market moves. So definitely have those stops in place on your trades. Now, in saying that, if crude oil continues to climb, you'll see this market continue to probably come down. So effectively, crude oil climbs, silver and gold seem to have been dropping. And then if crude oil drops off, we get a normal trading environment with this war off situation. I would expect to see us get back to business and hopefully start charging higher with the precious metals. But please be patient, watch your leverage ratios, or alternatively, you can use no leverage at all. A lot of people don't realize that. So just watch that. That's what I'm looking at right now within this. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at the number listed. Take care. Bye.